Hello, I am Rakesh Khanna and welcome to this week commodity forecast wherein we analyze what's driving commodities this week and what it means for prices ahead. If you too regularly track geopolitical developments and their impact on commodity markets, then this video will make for essential viewing. In today's video, gold and copper will be in the spotlight, so stay tuned till the end for crucial support and resistance figures for both these commodities. Let's start with macroeconomic headlines. The US and Iran are negotiating a Memorandum of Understanding on a peace deal. At the end of the week, ending May 24, negotiators worked on finalizing a Memorandum of Understanding which could open the Strait of Hormuz and give both the sides 60 days to reach a final deal to sort out their differences over crucial factors like Iran's uranium enrichment, releasing Iran frozen funds, lifting sanctions of Iran, etc. There are hints that Iran may agree to eventually hand over its highly enriched uranium. The Memorandum of Understanding is yet to be signed, though, as the US President Trump told his team not to rush for the deal. Crude oil tumbles while metal rally as oil price concerns ease on the possibility of opening of the Strait of Hormuz. Data released on May 22 showed that University of Michigan consumer sentiment tumbled 5 points from 49.80 in April to 44.80 in May, lowest on record, on worries over rising inflation. Consumers expect price to rise an annualized 3.9% over the next 5 to 10 years, up from 3.5% in April and the highest in 7 months. One-year inflation expectation rose from 4.7% to 4.8%. Fed Governor Waller warned on May 22 that although the prefers that the US Federal Reserve should hold rates unless more clarity emerges on impacts of the Iran war, the next Fed move could be rate hike unless inflation does not start to slow soon. As of May 22, investors were pricing in a full quarter point rate hike by December for the first time. Kevin Warsh has been sworn in as the US Federal Reserve Chair at the White House. The ECB may hike interest rate by 25 basis points in its upcoming monetary policy meeting on June 11 due to persistently high energy cost. Commodity focus. Gold. MCX gold futures continue to trade with a positive bias on the weekly chart after consolidating near highs. Prices are sustaining above the key moving averages, indicating a positive trend structure. The metal has formed a higher high, higher low formation, supporting the ongoing bullish momentum. Gold has also witnessed a trendline breakout on the weekly chart, indicating bullish continuation. The immediate support is placed near Rs 1,55,000 followed by Rs 1,50,000 level. On the upside, resistance is seen near Rs 1,60,500 and Rs 1,67,200 levels. A sustained move above Rs 1,60,500 may extend the positive momentum towards Rs 1,67,200 and Rs 1,76,800 levels. The positive crossover in the MACD indicator supports bullish momentum on the weekly time frame. Overall, the broader structure remains positive while price continues to hold above important support levels. Commodity focus. Copper. MCX copper futures continue to trade with positive bias on the weekly chart after seeing a strong recovery from lows. Prices are sustaining above the key moving averages, indicating a positive trend structure. The metal has formed a higher high, higher low formation, supporting the ongoing bullish momentum. The immediate support is placed near Rs 1300 followed by Rs 1250 levels. On the upside, the resistance is seen near Rs 1390 and Rs 1480 levels. A sustained move above Rs 1390 may extend the positive momentum towards Rs 1480 levels. The positive crossover in the MACD indicator is supporting bullish momentum on the weekly time frame. Overall, the broader structure remains positive while price continues to hold above important support levels. Weekly price action. Gold fell by 0.69% week on week. Silver fell by 0.64% week on week. The gold silver ratio fell by 0.05%. As for base metal, the London Metal Exchange is up by 1.49% week on week. This week, markets will track industrial production, YTD, year on year, ADP weekly, employment change, initial jobless claim. That's your weekly commodity forecast from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Are you looking forward to trade in gold and copper now? Share your thoughts in the comments. To help you keep track of the other market developments, all our research offerings are now available in one portal, the Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research Center. Explore research calls and detailed research reports across equity, mutual fund, futures and option, commodities, ETFs, and more. Scan the QR code on the screen to kickstart your wealth creation journey backed by experts, or sign up for a 15-day free trial if you aren't a customer. Thank you for watching.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.